Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on the first part of an epic journey across the United States, exploring the raw, untamed beauty of the American West. From sun-scorched deserts to towering, snow-capped peaks, this is where nature has painted its most breathtaking masterpieces. So grab your sense of adventure because our road trip begins now. First stop, California, and the legendary Yosemite National Park. This isn't just a park, it's a sanctuary. As you stand beneath the colossal granite face of El Capitan, you can't help but feel a sense of awe. This is where stone meets the sky, and where ancient waterfalls sing a song that echoes through the valleys. Sunlight streams through giant sequoia trees, some of the oldest living things on Earth, reminding you of the planet's enduring power. Whether you're a seasoned hiker scaling its peaks or simply a dreamer soaking in the view, Yosemite is truly Earth's living cathedral, a place that captures your heart and never lets go. From the green valleys of California, we journey east into the heart of Arizona to witness one of the 7 natural wonders of the world, the Grand Canyon. It's almost impossible to describe the sheer scale of this place. Standing on the rim, you're looking at 2 billion years of geological history, carved layer by the mighty Colorado River. It's a story of Earth written in stone. As the sun rises, it sets the canyon ablaze with colors, deep reds, vibrant oranges, and soft purples. At sunset, the shadows stretch and deepen, creating a sense of profound and beautiful emptiness. It's a humbling experience, a powerful reminder of our small place in the grand timeline of the universe. Next, we head to Nevada, a state of incredible contrasts. In the middle of the Mojave Desert lies a city that seems to defy all logic, Las Vegas. After the quiet majesty of the Grand Canyon, the dazzling neon glow of the Strip is a jolt to the senses. It's a city built on dreams, where lights never sleep and possibilities feel endless. But just a short drive away from the vibrant chaos, you'll find the serene and stunning Red Rock Canyon. Here, fiery red sandstone formations rise against the clear blue sky, offering a peaceful escape and a completely different kind of desert magic. It's proof that in Nevada, you can find both electrifying energy and silent, natural beauty. Our journey continues into Utah, home to the otherworldly landscapes of Arches National Park. This place feels like a sculpture garden designed by nature itself. Over millennia, wind and water have patiently carved more than 2,000 natural sandstone arches. The most famous of all, Delicate Arch, stands alone, a perfect frame for the vast desert sky. There's a special magic here during the golden hour just before sunset, when the red rocks seem to glow from within. Walking among these incredible formations, you can feel the immense patience of time, creating beauty through slow, persistent artistry. It's nature's own architecture, and it's absolutely unforgettable. From the red deserts, we travel north to Oregon for a splash of the deepest, purest blue you've ever seen. This is Crater Lake, a place of profound stillness and astonishing beauty. The lake was formed nearly 8,000 years ago when a massive volcano, Mount Mazama, collapsed upon itself. Now, this caldera holds some of the cleanest and clearest water on the planet, fed only by rain and snow. On a calm day, the lake becomes a perfect mirror of the sky, its color so intense it feels almost unreal. Staring into its depths, you feel a sense of peace and silence that seems as deep as the water itself. It's a serene, almost spiritual experience. Moving further up the Pacific Northwest, we arrive in Washington State, in the shadow of the magnificent Mount Rainier. This active volcano, capped with glaciers, dominates the skyline for miles around. It's a mountain that seems to breathe clouds, often shrouded in mist that adds to its mysterious allure. In the summer, its lower slopes erupt in a riot of color, with vast meadows blanketed in wildflowers. The contrast between the delicate flowers and the immense, icy peak is stunning. Watching the sunrise paint the summit in shades of pink and gold is a moment of pure magic, a feeling that here, every dawn is eternal. Now we make a huge leap north to the last frontier, Alaska. Here we find Denali National Park, home to the tallest peak in North America. Denali is more than just a mountain. It's the heart of a vast, untamed wilderness. For much of the year, it's wrapped in clouds and snow, its summit a rare and breathtaking sight. The landscape here feels ancient and untouched. Massive glaciers flow like frozen rivers through the valleys, and wildlife like grizzly bears, caribou, and moose roam freely. This is a place that reminds you of the world as it once was, a powerful and humbling landscape where you can hear the last whispers of the wild. From the icy peaks of Alaska, we fly to the warm, tropical embrace of Hawaii. We'll explore two of its most famous islands, Maui and Oahu. This is paradise in motion. Golden sand beaches meet turquoise waters, and lush rainforests climb the slopes of ancient volcanoes. The spirit of aloha is everywhere, in the gentle sway of palm trees and the vibrant colors of hibiscus flowers. You can watch surfers ride the legendary waves of the North Shore, or see the sunset from the summit of Haleakala. Hawaii is a land of fire and flowers, a place that dances between the ocean and the sky, inviting you to slow down and savor every moment. Heading back to the mainland, our next destination is Montana, often called Big Sky Country. And nowhere is that name more fitting than in Glacier National Park. This is a landscape of epic proportions. Jagged, snow-dusted peaks rise dramatically above turquoise-colored lakes that are so clear you can see every stone on the bottom. Driving the famous Going to the Sun Road is an adventure in itself, clinging to the side of mountains and offering jaw-dropping views at every turn. But this beauty is also fragile. The park's glaciers are melting at an alarming rate, giving a visit here a sense of urgency. It's a frozen song of time, and we must listen before it fades away. Finally, we arrive in Colorado, at Rocky Mountain National Park. This is the rooftop of the continent, a place of towering peaks, lush alpine meadows, and crystal-clear lakes that perfectly mirror the sky. The air here is crisp and clean, and the scale of the mountains is simply staggering. You can drive Trail Ridge Road, the highest paved road in North America, and feel like you're on top of the world. In these mountains, you don't just see the landscape, you feel it. You feel the wind, you see the clouds gather and part, you feel the mountains breathing around you. It's a powerful, invigorating end to our journey through the West. From the sun-baked deserts of Arizona to the magnificent snows of Alaska, the American West is where the nation's heart beats wild and free. Each of these places tells a story of time, power, and breathtaking beauty. We've only just scratched the surface, and this was only part one. Thank you so much for joining us on this incredible adventure. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss part two, where we'll explore even more of this amazing country. Until next time, keep exploring.